हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल जनरल स्टडीज विद अनूप के वर्मा। आपकी स्क्रीन पर यह क्वेश्चन पेपर दिख रहा है आपको। ये पेपर है केरला का और इसे कंडक्ट कराया गया है केरला पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन की तरफ से एंड फॉर द पोस्ट ऑफ जूनियर जूनियर लैब असिस्टेंट। जूनियर लैब असिस्टेंट की पोस्ट के लिए ये एग्ज़ाम कंडक्ट कराया गया है ऑन 21st ऑफ जनवरी 2023 को। ये एग्ज़ाम कंडक्ट कराया गया है। इसके अंदर 100 क्वेश्चंस हैं, 1 to 100 क्वेश्चंस हैं। इन सभी क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स को हम यहाँ पर डिस्कस करेंगे इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो सेशन के अंदर। ठीक है, तो चलिए देखते हैं पहले क्वेश्चन के साथ में। So our first question is, which of the following is an inflammable chemical? So here xylene, alcohol, chloroform, all the three are the inflammable chemicals. So correct answer is option number D, all of the three. Reverse osmosis is used to prepare the deionized water. Option B is the correct answer. Example of chemical that is kept under the water. So here is the chemical is that, so pyric acid is kept under the water. Option B is the correct answer for the question number 3. Next है, sorry, okay, question number 4. Acid present in chromic acid solution. So here is the correct answer is sulfuric acid. Option D is the correct answer. B. Lambert law is applicable or is applied in the instrument of calorimeter. Option number B is the correct answer. Laboratory incubator is usually set with the temperature of 37 degrees Celsius. Option D is the correct answer. For CBC, the blood is collected with anticoagulant. Here is the correct answer for this question. Option number C, EDTA. EDTA is the correct answer. Next question is question number 8. Counter is used for the, this is used for the CBC. Option C is the correct answer for this question number 8. Then we will move for the question number 9. Okay, this is a repeated question. We will move with the question number 9. So here is the question number 9. Which of the following is not investigated during the donor selection of a blood bank? So which is not selected? Here is a relationship with the blood. Oh, sorry, relationship with the patient. Option C is the correct answer for the question number 9. Question number 10. Vacutainer with a red top containing. So here is the question number 10. Correct answer is no anticoagulant. Option number C is the correct answer. Question number 11. Which anticoagulant inhibit thrombin? So here is the correct answer is heparin. That is heparin. That is option number D is the correct answer. In the centrifuged blood sample, WBC appears between the RBC and the platelets. That is option C is the correct answer for this question number 12. Then we will move for the question number 13. So in question number 13, reticulocyte are basically, these are the immature RBCs. Option A is the correct answer for the question number 13. Question number 14, length of the Westerjohn pipette is the 300 mm. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 14. For the question number 15, hospital waste like used syringes, needles are stored in which colored dustbin? So that is the correct answer is white or in grey. So correct answer is option number C is the correct answer for this question. AVO group system was introduced by the, this was introduced by the Carl Landsteiner. Option D is the correct answer for this particular question. Next we will move for the question number 17. In 17 number question, in ACD solution, erythrocyte get energy from, the glucose. Option number A is the correct answer. Which type of cell present in the healthy adult as a 3 lakh per cubic mm of blood? That is the platelet. Option number B is the correct answer for the question number 18. For the question number 19, Leishman stain is an example of, this is an example of the Romansko stain. That is option number A is the correct answer. RBC are laced by acetic acid in Turkish fluid, yeah, or Turkey's fluid. Option number C is the correct answer for this question number 20. Then we will move for the question number 21. Which one of the following is used to keep the chemical free for water from the water? So here is the correct answer is 21 number question, that is the desiccators. Option number B is correct answer. Bleaching powder is prepared from the hypochlorite, that is option C is correct answer. Solution in which no more salt is able to dissolve its uh, here is the correct answer for question number 23 is the saturated solution. Option number A is the correct answer. Then we will move for the question number 24. So in question number 24, uh, okay, question number 24. Ketonuria is seen in the diabetic millets. That is option number A is the correct answer. HbA1c level reveal the meaning of glucose level over a period of the here is the correct answer is 12 to 14 weeks. Option A is the correct answer for the question number 25. Then we will move for the question number 26. So okay, question number 26 is there. So renal threshold of a glucose is, so renal threshold of glucose is 180 mg percentage. Mean reagent for oxidized reaction of bacteria is the here is the correct answer is 27 number question, tetramethyl p phenylene diamine hydrochloride, that is option number D is the correct answer for this question number 27. Acid fastness of bacteria is due to the presence of, this is due to the presence of the mycolic acid, that is option A is the correct answer. The parasite of begin terrain malaria is P. vivax. Option number B is the correct answer for the question number 29. Then we will move for the further question for question number 30 and 31. So in question number 30, enzyme that shows marked increase in obstructive liver disease is called as the, so here is the 30th question, correct answer is alkaline phosphatase, that is option number A is the correct answer. Non-enzymatic addition of any sugar to protein is called as, 31 correct answer is glycation, that is option number C is the correct answer for the question number 31. Then we will move for the question number 32. So in question number 32, the test to assess the excretory function of the liver is related to the SPS test. Option number B is the correct answer. Chinese letter pattern is characteristic of which feature? So here is the correct answer for the question number 33, that is the cyanobacteria. Option number B is the correct answer for the question number 33. Then we will move for the question number 34. So in the question number 34, holding period of air oven is, this is the correct answer is 160 degree for 1 hour, that is option C is the correct answer. An example of incubator culture medium is a that is the MacLeod medium, that is option number B is the correct answer for this question. In P malaria infection, infected RBC shows, what does infected RBC shows? That is the Siemens dot. Option number C is the correct answer for this question number 36. Next we will move for the question number 37. An example of a cleaning agent used for tissue processing in histopathology laboratory is called as a, so here is the 37 number question, correct answer is cedarwood oil. Option number A is the correct answer. So next question is question number 38. So just wait. Okay, so in 38 number question, cold acetone is an example of, the option C is the correct answer for this particular question. Okay, just a minute. Option number D, sorry not D, that is option number C is the correct answer. Question number 38, histochemical fixative. Option D is C is the correct answer. Dry chemistry system, the reaction is measured by, so this is measured by the reflectance spectrophotometry, that is option C is the correct answer for this question number 39. Question number 40, Lieberman Bouchard reaction is related to, so this is related with the cholesterol. Option number D is the correct answer for this question number 40. Next we will move for the question number 41. So okay, just a minute, just I have to clean that one. Okay, question number 41, Conn's syndrome is a, adolteronism, that is option number A is the correct answer for the question number 41. Then we will move for the question number 42. So in question number 42, in case of a blood glucose delay in separation of serum from the blood result in the, So question number 42, correct answer is a low glucose level. 42 correct answer is option number 2. Uh, in diabetes, millets fruity order of urine is due to the presence of the glucose. Option number A is a correct answer. ISBAC reagent is a picric acid and the citric acid, combination of picric and citric acid. Option A यहाँ पर correct answer होगा. Then we will move for the question number 45. So in question number 45, dash is used as a preservative in Mayer's hematoxylate stain. So here is a correct answer for 45 number question. Coral hydrant, that is option number D is a correct answer. Stain used for hormonal evolution of cytology is a, so for in 45 number question correct answer is Shore stain, that is option B is a correct answer. Routinely used cytological fixative is a, 47 correct answer is 95% ethanol ether mixture, that is option D is the correct answer for this particular question. Next we will move for the question number 46. Multiple myeloma patient shows, it shows the Benz and Jones proteinuria, that is option D is the correct answer. Reference value of creatinine clearance in female is a, so here is the correct answer 8 to 115 ml per minute. Option number B is the correct answer for this particular question number 49. Next question is 50 number question. Tumor market of ovarian cancer is, that is CA 125. Option number D is the correct answer. Use of microwaves are used in the radar system, that is option A is the correct answer for this particular question. So 51 question number. Then I am skipping the few numerical questions, and here correct answer for this question number 53. So Bohr's value of radius is 5.29 into 10 to the power minus 11 meter. Option B is the correct answer. So few questions I am skipping up to 56 number question. So 56 number question. In 56 number question, the correct answer is correct answer is option number C. For the question number 57, the half period of a radioactive substance is 30 days. What is the time period for the 3/4 of the original mass of the disintegrate? That will be the 60 days. Option number B is the correct answer for the question number 57. Next question is our 58. The two lenses of power plus 6 diopter and minus 2D are combined. The focal length of this will be the 0.25 meter. Option B is the correct answer. Next question is 59 number question. If the input frequency is 50 Hz, what is the output frequency of the full wave rectifier? That will be the 100 Hz. Option number C is the correct answer. Okay, and next question is question number 61. So in 61 number question, correct answer will be, I have a little bit doubt in this particular question. I think option C will be the correct answer. Option C. Then we will move for the question number 64th. Okay, question number 64th. Which of the following is correct for the adiabatic processes? So in adiabatic process, no exchange of heat between the system and the surrounding. First statement is correct, and this is the fast process. So first and fourth statement is correct. So correct answer is option number A for this question number 64th. Then we will move for the question number 65. So in question number 65, at what distance from the mean position is the kinetic energy in a simple harmonic oscillator equal to the potential energy? That will be the A oblique under root 2. Option A will be the correct answer. Which of the following alloy contains copper, tin and zinc? That is the gunmetal. Option C is the correct answer. IUPAC name of this particular compound, so that is the 4-oxypentanoic acid. That is option A is the correct answer for this question number 67. Next we will move for the question number 68. So in question number 68, which of the following gives the silver mirror with the tolerance reagent, that is the CH3COH aldehyde? That is option number B is the correct answer. Which of the following contains the greatest number of the molecule? That will be the water, 1 gram of the water. Option number B is the correct answer for the question number 69. Total number of orbits in an energy level designated by the principal quantum number n is equals to the n square. Option number B is the correct answer for this question number 70. Then we will move for the question number 71. So in 71 number question, 71 number question. So which of the following has the lowest pH? I think here is I have little bit doubt, but I think options A is the correct answer. Next question 72. Which of the following vitamin deficiency cause convulsion? That will be the answer. Option C is the correct answer. Vitamin B6 is responsible for this particular disease basically. Question number 73. Arsenic containing medicine used for the treatment of syphilis is called as the okay, in this question 73 number question, correct answer is Salvasan. That is option D is the correct answer. Next question is question number 74. In 74 number question, so pterylene is a condensation polymer of ethylene glycol and the pathetic acid, that is option number A is the correct answer. Antiseptic sold in the market as a Federal, that will be the hydrogen peroxide. Option number D is the correct answer. Which ion is required for the coagulation of blood? So calcium is the correct answer for 76 number question. Option B. Name the gas formed when the concentrated nitric acid is added with the copper. So in this case nitrogen will be released. Option D is the correct answer for the question number 77. Then we will move for the question number 78. So in 78 number question, secondary dry cell will be the nickel cadmium cell. Option number B is the correct answer. Smoke is an example of aerosol. Option D is the correct answer. Which among the following element has the largest atomic radii? So among these, potassium has the largest atomic radii. Option number C is the correct answer. Question number 81. Name the ecological interaction between the orchid and mangoes. That is the commensalism. That is option number C is the correct answer. Name the ecological pyramid which always upright. That is the energy pyramid is always the upright. Option number D is the correct answer for the question number 82. Next question is question number 83. From the following plant, which one is the dioecious, the plant that is the date palm? Option C is the correct answer. Seeds of certain flowering plants contain perisperm. What is the perisperm? Perisperm is a basically persistent nucleus. That is option number B is the correct answer. Function of nucleolus is the here is the correct answer for this question number 85. That will the biosynthesis of ribosome subunit. Option number B is the correct answer for this question number 85. Next question is that question number 86. Termination of chiasmata occur at which of the following prophase 1? So dikinesis, that is option number B is the correct answer. The process of elution during the electrophoresis is separated DNA fragment cut from the agarose gel and extracted from the gel species. That is option number D is the correct answer for the question number 87. Then we will move for the question number 88 and 89. So in 80, just a minute. Okay, 88 number question. A single strand DNA or RNA which is staggered with the radioactive molecules used in the molecular diagnosis is known as the probe. Option A is the correct answer. Ability of a plant cell to generate as a whole plant is known as the this is called as the titopotency. That is option number A is the correct answer for this question number 89. Then we will move for the question number 90. In this question I have a little bit doubt, that's why I am skipping that one question. We will move for question number 91. So in 91 number question, name the chromosomal disorder which affects the individual expert gynocosmetia. So that is the Klinefelter syndrome. That is option number B is the correct answer for the question number 91. In the transcription unit of DNA, the strands which acts as a template for the RNA synthesis is known as the coding strand. That is option number A is the correct answer for the question number 92. Then we will move for the question number 93. So in 93 number question, to ask that the transmission of HIV infection in a human being generally not occurs by drinking water using the same glass. So not occur. Option C is the correct answer. Pseudocollum is found only in the animal belonging to the phylum of the here is the correct answer. Achiel Mins. That is option number B is the correct answer for this 94th number question. Then question number, these few questions I am skipping this one. Okay, we will move up to 98 number question. In 98 number question, the QRS complex is in an ECG of a man represents the ventricular depolarization. Option A is the correct answer in question number 99. Which factor is not favorable for the formation of oxyhemoglobin in human being? So here is the correct answer is high PO2 value. Option number A is the correct answer for this question number 99. Then the last question, name the cell which synthesize and secrete testicular hormones is called as androgen. That will be the correct answer is Leydig cells. Option A is the correct answer. So this is the solution of the paper conducted by the KPSC, that is the Karnataka, sorry not Karnataka, this is basically Kerala Public Service Commission for the post of the junior lab assistant. And this exam has been held on the 21st of January 2023. Okay, so if you like the video, please press the like icon and share the video with the batchmates or fellow persons. And if you are the new in this channel, please subscribe the channel for getting the solution of the different papers and different states. So thank you for watching.